Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make enchiladas cheese updated. Preheat oven to 375 degrees F and assemble a messy end place. Shred cheeses, warm tortillas, and heat enchilada sauce. Layer fillings evenly, roll snugly, and place seams side down in a buttered pan. Pour sauce over rolls, sprinkle remaining cheese, and bake until sauce bubbles and cheese browns lightly. I'll guide you through timing and tweaks for perfect texture and flavor. Start with simple ingredient choices and small prep steps that make a big difference. Pick cheeses that melt well and offer flavor depth, shred them fresh, and keep fillings tidy. Warm tortillas for a few seconds to make rolling easy and prevent tearing. Lightly oil your baking dish and spoon a thin sauce layer first to prevent sticking. These small moves help achieve even baking and a rich, cohesive result every time. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more cooking tips. Quick recommendation: on another note, treat your feet as well as your taste buds. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty on socks you'll actually enjoy wearing, a small comfort after perfecting a spicy dinner. Look in the description for the link and other deals I mentioned. Now let's get back to the video. Assemble enchiladas methodically so every roll looks and cooks the same. Spoon consistent filling amounts down each tortilla, roll tightly, and place seams side down in your pan. Cover with sauce and most of the cheese, then tent with foil to retain moisture. Bake covered for most of the time, then remove foil to brown the cheese. Let rest a few minutes after baking to set fillings and make slicing neat and easy for serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.